Hi there, it's Jason with AllTech Services. Today we're going to talk about replacing batteries in your thermostat. Most modern thermostats do not require batteries. They are powered by the equipment in your home to power the display. On some older model Honeywell, such as this, to simply replace your batteries, in the top right hand corner there's a handle. You can pull your battery pack out. Some take AA's, some take AAA's. You simply swap them out, get your polarity lined up, slide it back in the corner, and you're done. This should be done once a year. I usually recommend the same time you change the batteries in your smoke detectors, you can change the batteries in your thermostat as well. We also have another model here in our lab that you may find in your home. This is a Honeywell T-Series. We actually have a battery display lit here telling us it's time to change our batteries. Simply pulled it off the wall. If you flip it around, we have two AA's here. You pop your batteries out, slide your new ones in, place your new batteries in here, back on your wall, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.